Artificial intelligence is changing B2B marketing fast. It can speed up research, personalize outreach, generate campaigns, and help teams process large amounts of data much more efficiently. But this article makes one point very clear. AI should be used as an accelerator, not a replacement. In B2B markets, buyers are not only evaluating products and services, they are evaluating the people, expertise, and credibility behind them. That is why automation can improve execution, but it cannot replace human judgment, market nuance, or relationship building. The right approach is not to ban AI, and it is not to let AI run everything. It is to use AI with strategy, governance, and human review checkpoints. The article highlights several important AI tool categories B2B marketers should understand. Some tools help with account-based marketing and predictive analytics by identifying high-value accounts and ranking them by likelihood to convert. Other tools help with search visibility by tracking how brands appear not only in Google, but also in AI-driven discovery environments. There are also tools for B2B ad generation that can turn a landing page into LinkedIn creative and captions, tools that transcribe and analyze sales calls to identify winning phrases and coaching suggestions, and tools that connect campaign data across channels to generate insights and forecasts. There are also platforms that optimize ads, adjust bids, manage negative keywords, create personalized landing pages, microsites, and AI avatar videos, make CRM updates, run analytics audits, create presentation decks, and create on-brand content assets. The range of AI tools is expansive, and this shows what AI really is in B2B marketing. It is not one tool. It is a layer of capabilities that can support many parts of your workflows. The data is also clear that tools alone do not create results. AI only becomes valuable when it is integrated into a strategic framework. That means identifying the right market segments, mapping decision makers, designing multi-channel campaigns, and refining tactics based on actual results. AI can help at every stage by predicting conversions, drafting personalized messages, optimizing creative, and auditing data quality. Still, experienced strategic marketers need to build the strategy underpinning the tactics. Strategists must decide what matters, what fits the brand, and what will resonate in a complex B2B buying environment. This matters even more in industrial and technical sectors, where trust, accuracy, and authenticity are essential. This is why Dream Factory does not position AI as a standalone answer. We use AI as a force multiplier inside proven, human-led strategic playbooks. The practical takeaway is simple. Use AI as your assistant with guardrails. Evaluate tools that assist in the achievement of business goals. Invest in governance and human oversight to ensure trust, accuracy, and authenticity are preserved and fostered. And integrate automation into a strategy that is already built to scale and perform. That is how AI becomes a competitive advantage instead of a credibility risk. If your team is evaluating AI tools right now, this is the right time to look beyond features and think about fit, governance, and business impact. And if you need help integrating AI into a proven B2B market penetration strategy, contact Dream Factory Agency today.